Welcome back to the channel. Today we're deep diving in forming a LLC in the USA, Wyoming for non-residents who are also wanting to set up a Stripe account to receive payments that you can use and to send invoices from. And it's quite handy to send invoices from Stripe. You can have bank transfer sent over straight to your bank account. But first of all, USA Wyoming LLC is most beneficial. If you're a non-resident doing business in the USA, these are going to resonate with you. You do not live in the USA. You do not have any full-time employees in the USA. Your company doesn't own or rent any real estate or property. Do not spend more than 6 months in the USA. So if this resonates for you, you'll most likely do not need to pay income tax for your USA formed LLC. Now next, the process. Personally, the platform I used is FirstBase. It's a seamless site that can form your LLC and get your EIN number, which you will need to open your online bank. Okay, so after 40 business days, you get a registration. Then you can open up your first online bank. You can apply for one also with Mercury on the platform. Crucial step is having your website up to date fully. You're coming off with marketing agencies, social media digital marketing agency. You want to have your SSL certificate secured. You want to have phone number, customer service details, physical address, all on your website, terms and conditions, comprehensive consumer data and privacy policy. You want to have these things as a page on your website. It's not just for Stripe. It is for Stripe and other bank accounts that you want to open online to are more strict, because Stripe will scan your account to make sure it's legitimate and has these things. Now for the word of caution, the OF industry is considered high risk, adult industry high risk. Position yourself as a social media marketing agencies and you provide marketing services to the people that you will be billing, for it not to raise any red flags on Stripe. Remember, you're offering marketing services, stick to that narrative. This approach not only simplifies your Stripe account setup, but ensures a low-risk business entity, reducing the chances of complications down the line. Another point to note with your LLC through FirstBase is you're going to still have to declare your income tax through the IRS, and it's quite straightforward process. FirstBase offers services with that. For conveniences and bookkeeping, it's going to be looking at $350 to $400 annually, so that you're declaring that you're not paying any income tax because of XYZ of these things, right? In conclusion, setting up your LLC in the US for non-residents might seem daunting, but with the right precautions, it's actually a smooth process. The key is to be transparent, compliant, and always stay updated with the regulations. Many people know this. People have their Stripe accounts taken down. They don't have the LLC, the EIN number. They haven't got the website set up correctly. So I know this is a problem to some people. Okay. And it leaves more options to you, because you want to have multiple bank accounts in different countries and you want to reduce your taxes the most amount as possible. My other videos on my personal channel, I'm doing a video, and it'll be probably posted by this time, about taxes and living in Thailand. You can literally move all the funds legitimately from your USA business account on Wise or another account straight to a Thai personal bank account, or if you haven't set up a business in Thailand, right, for a longer visa, that's what most of the guys do, set up that, you're actually paying 0% taxes on living in Thailand, because it's foreign income. Okay, it's your USA company that you've had remotely for remote services, so zero income taxes living in, say, Thailand, foreign income. You can use that too. So that's just the processes and some of the options that I'm personally doing to keep the taxes down as low as possible. And so now you'll be able to set up your USA account, banking account, LLC. You'll have a Stripe, you'll have a payment processor as well for extra, even if you're doing other services as well, or having to bill models a different way that they might not like transfer. Okay, these other online bank accounts, especially if you're dealing with overseas accounts, you're dealing with international models. Some options it's better to send them a link or bill them straight from the Visa account or their MasterCard account in that particular country. For instance, a Colombian, and now they have Visa accounts, but the issue, because you cannot send money from Paxum to an online bank account like Wise. So it's better to bill straight through Stripe and receive the money that way, in my opinion. I also had my Paxum taken down, so it's not like I'm going to go Stripe because I'm from New Zealand. It doesn't work anyway. From Paxum, it's just too many fees. Okay, so obviously fees, taxes, lowest possible. That's the beneficial for this. Okay, so if you like this video, if you've got any questions and other details I've missed on setting up a Stripe account, forming an LLC in the US, put in the comments below and check out my other videos. I'll see you on the next one.